Transform your videos from silent stories to captivating experiences with the power of music on CapCut PC. Let's dive in and learn how to seamlessly add music to your CapCut projects, step by step. First, ensure your CapCut PC application is open and your project is loaded. To bring your chosen music into CapCut, head to the Media tab on the top left and click on the Import button. Alternatively, you can simply drag and drop your audio files directly into the Media library. Once your audio file is imported, it will appear in your Media library now. Let's get it onto our timeline. Click and drag your audio file from the Media library down onto the timeline. Placing it on an audio track, you'll see a visual representation of the sound, known as a waveform, appear. This waveform is your guide for syncing. You can play back your video and listen to the music simultaneously. To adjust the music's volume and ensure it complements your visuals without overpowering them, select the audio clip on the timeline. In the Inspector panel on the right, you'll find the audio settings here. You can use the volume slider to increase or decrease the sound level. Experiment with this slider until you achieve the perfect balance. You can also trim the beginning or end of your music clip by dragging its edges on the timeline. By syncing your music effectively and mastering the volume adjustments, you'll create a truly immersive audio-visual experience for your audience. Now you have the power to add impactful music to all your CapCut PC projects. Happy editing and happy creating.